Hey guys, today is the first time that I'm gonna change the oil on the E36. I might make some mistakes because I've never done it on this car before, but I hope you guys enjoy. Since it was my first time doing the oil change on the E36, I decided to tell you guys about the tools that I used after I was done with the oil change. The tools I used was a 17mm socket for the drain plug, a 36mm socket you guys should use for the oil filter housing, and 7 quarts of Mobil 1 10W40 full synthetic. That's just my choice based on what I researched. And that's it. So the first part is to drain the oil. With your container underneath the oil pan, unscrew the bolt, the drain plug. The oil is still draining. Now I'm gonna take the oil filter out and replace it. I forgot to hit record, so I took this out with these pliers. They are the 36mm I told you about, and I checked all the local stores and they don't have it in stock, so I just opened with this, was careful, and that's it. Now my oil is a little bit too thin. You see it running here? And it smells a little like gasoline. Now, I read online that it's normal to smell a little bit like gasoline, but if it's too much, it can't mean that the head gasket is going bad. So I think a new head gasket is gonna be coming soon. If you guys buy this filter right here, it's gonna come with a new O-ring for the oil filter and also with a new crush washer for the drain plug. So I really recommend it. It was only about $7, and all the other ones that I saw around were the same price, but I wasn't sure that it came with this. So the drain plug is still out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some oil around the rubber sealing here, just to lubricate it. Drain plug with the crush washer. Still coming out a little bit, but not a whole lot. Anyway. Make sure you guys torquing down the drain plug. It's 18 foot-pounds. It's not a lot, as you guys can see. Look, not a whole lot, but that's gonna be enough not to leak. I don't know if you guys should do this here or not, but I used to do that on my Speed 3, and I need to drop just a little bit of oil on the housing here. I'm not gonna do a lot because I don't know if I'm supposed to or not. This should only take 25 Newton meters. It's written on top of here, that's how I know. But there's no way for me to torque in this, so I'm gonna try to do just the way it was before. just to make sure it doesn't leak and not strong enough to break anything. Should be enough. This is done. All there's left to do now is drop the 7 quarts of oil inside the engine. This engine takes a lot of oil. I mean, it's a quart. Oh shit. It's a quart more than the Speed 3 takes. This one takes 7. But I don't know, I think the Speed burns a little bit of oil for some reason, because my container there where I dropped the oil is so heavy that feels like 2 oil changes for the Speed. Now, time to check the fluid. Looks about right to me. Hope you guys can see it. The oil change on this car is super straightforward. The oil filter is on top of the engine, super clean, easy to change. Basically, jack the car up, 17mm to the drain plug, let the oil drain, open the filter, change the filter, close the drain plug with the 17mm, torquing it out to 18 foot-pounds, and drop some oil in the engine. It's not hard at all. You guys all should do it at home, save a couple of bucks, and make sure that the filter is changed and that you guys have good oil in the engine. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any suggestions, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.